What's going on, guys? So I'm back with another video today. This one's gonna be a little bit different. So I don't know, my mouse broke and my keyboard because reasons. But I did get a new keyboard. This one is an upgrade. I'm pretty sure it's the same brand. Here it is. The Havit gaming series. So yeah, I was just opening it up because I have not even opened it yet. So okay, I guess it goes like that. How do I open this? Oh shoot, okay. Okay. Oh shoot, I'm reviewing. Whoops. But anyways, yeah, this is a 60% keyboard, so I don't know how I'm gonna take it out, but there we go. Here we go. I'm not trying to click any sounds yet. There's our keyboard. It's a 60% one. And see right here. Here's a USB Type-C for our keyboard. Manual. We'll get that later. And what else? We got a key puller for the keys. And this is stuff. This is tightened right now, so I need to take this out. I'm so and our mouse. So I'm gonna unwrap these. Here we go. Boom. Here's our mouse. It has some nice clicks. I like it. Now I'm gonna unwrap my keyboard. Let's unwrap it. Hold up, guys. Boom. Here's my keyboard. Honestly, here's a. I'm pretty sure these are brown switches. These are brown switches, yeah. I'm scared to pull a key though. I'm just gonna pull a key that I don't really use. So. Okay, there we go. I pulled. Oh wow, this is my first time actually pulling one. Yeah, they are brown. Yeah, they are brown switches. So that's good. So I'm pretty sure how you put it back on. You just hold up. Okay, how you put it back on? Hold up, if I can get the key out. Okay, there we go. How to put it back on? I'm pretty sure you just snap it on. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So this is a sound test. Pretty sure it is Bluetooth too. Yeah, it has a pretty good weight on it. So I'm turning on. Boom. Bro, this is sick. Here's the keyboard right here. So I'm pretty sure how to control it. It's FN this. Yeah, there we go. It's FN and this button right here. So yeah, here's this brightness. I'm pretty sure you do the brightness from these. Or I don't know. It's these arrow keys. FN and then okay, so this is how it all goes. So I'm gonna push all the stuff. So this is the first one. This is the second one. Okay, I like this one. It's like a wave. Here's the third one. It's going down. Third one going down, and then this one's going down again, and then this one is this is the speed. So if I do this, it goes fast, and then if I do it here, it goes slow. Yeah, guys, this is the keyboard. I'm gonna show you all the effects right now. So I turn it on. Here's the first one. Don't mind that in the background. But here's the second one. It's like a breathing effect. And if you want to speed it up, push the arrow key. Speed it up. And the next one is like a wave. So if I want to speed it up, it goes fast. And if I want to see this one's going down. It goes down like that. Then let's see. This one is going around. So, and here's this one. I actually like this one. And if I want to do the speed, if I want to turn the brightness up, there's that. This keyboard is honestly really good. I like it. And then there's the wave. If I want to speed it up or turn the brightness up, speed it up. amazing. And then this one is probably my favorite. Speed it up. Okay. And then brighten this up. Sorry about that. My parents, they're leaving. But yeah, this keyboard is really amazing. I'm gonna show you a sound test right now. But yeah guys, this is the keyboard. So now I'm gonna get on to the mouse. So onto the mouse, it is USB cord right here with it. So I haven't actually plugged it in yet, but I'm about to plug it in right now. So show you what this all looks like. So I'm gonna plug it in right now and show you. Okay guys, so this is all it right now. This is what the mouse looks like. It's honestly pretty good. Nice clicks. This is for like to change the colors right here. And this is the DPI. The mouse buttons right here. Honestly, for this mouse, this is actually a combo too. You can actually get this on Amazon for maybe about $40, but if you're gonna buy it, it costs like maybe $43. It's not that bad. For a keyboard cheap, like for a cheap price, this is a really good keyboard. Honestly, it really is. It really is. It comes with the key puller too. So all I do is do this and then pull. If I can pull it, hold up. Okay, there we go. There we go. I pulled it up. So this is the key. So you see, it's lighting effect. And then if I want to put it back in, I take it off the key puller. Okay, sorry, I can't do everything at once, but do that and put it back in. It's all good. But yeah, here's the thing right here, the mouse, keyboard, sit together. It's honestly pretty good. I like this keyboard. If you're gonna, it's only 43 bucks, and if you're looking for a cheap keyboard that's affordable, I recommend this one, because like this keyboard is just amazing. Like, just look at all the cool effects with it. Like, this keyboard is just amazing. So if you're looking for a cheap little keyboard, I recommend just get one like this. I'll put the link to the keyboard below if y'all want to buy it. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, my review for the keyboard. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it. So yeah, I'll see y'all next time. I might make another video soon. Sorry for not uploading because I've been grounded. But yeah, I'll make another video and like maybe soon. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.